Okay, folks, this video is to explain what's to be done on our system in step 2. When you click on this link here, you will be viewing this video right here. And it will have some other instructions on there on what to do. But this is what you will need to do. You will need to go down here on this page and click on this link right here. And this is going to open up a page over here. Everything moves a little bit slower when I'm taking the video and everything. You'll probably experience a lot faster responses from your page when you click on these links. But here's the program here, and I'm going to stop the video for the sake of this right now. But you're going to
coming to you live from one of the spare rooms at my home here in Florida. Like I said, just going to open a few packages.
You're going to fill out this information here, and I will put some information in here. I'm sorry. And when you click on this information here, it starts a tour. You can come back to this page if you wish, or you can just X out of it. I'm going to X out of it now because you're done doing what needs to be done. When you put your information in that form there, you have completed step 2 in our program, and you're right back here again. Okay, so this is exactly what is needed in step 2. If you want to join that program over there, you're going to become one of my affiliates in that program, where you can split the profits with me 50-50 on anybody that joins that, which is, I'm going to receive $125 of the $200 that it costs them to join. But here's the thing, I give you $62.50 for sending that person to my program here. That way you make money the first way with this program. If they do send the money there, and you sent them to my program, you're going to get paid $62.50 out of the $125, which is exactly 50% of what I receive. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, always give me a call, 931-638-6244. Thank you.